Looking for a fresh, filling lunch that's packed with flavor? Let's make these Asian chickpea rice wraps. Let's start with cooked chickpeas, fresh vegetables, rice paper wrappers, and a flavorful sesame ginger sauce. For the sauce, whisk together tamari, rice vinegar, toasted sesame oil, fresh garlic, fresh ginger, maple syrup, and a squeeze of fresh lime juice. Toss the vegetables and chickpeas with the sesame ginger sauce until everything is evenly coated and full of flavor. If you enjoy quick meals like this, check out my 10-minute Healthy Meals ebook. The link is below. Soften a rice paper wrapper in warm water, add the filling, fold in the sides, roll it tightly, then slice it in half for the perfect fresh bite. These wraps are crunchy, colorful, and packed with fresh sesame ginger flavor. Perfect for lunch, meal prep, or a light summer dinner. The full recipe is in the pinned comment. Join Yum's Kitchen and grab your free Cozy Kitchen Starter Guide at yuminasnap.com. I'll see you next time.